When adjusting the chain on a PETOL Visetong, begin with the adjusting nut near the end of the chain screw, flush to 1/4 inch up. Release the pawl and move it down to the unlocked position. The chain will now slide freely through the tong. Pull enough chain through the tong as needed to seat the chain screw nut in the jaw latching area. Pull the slack out of the chain and lock the pawl by bringing it up until the pawl latch engages. Tighten the chain screw nut on the tong until hand tight, and then using the nut lever, loosen the chain screw nut 1/2 turn to provide proper ratcheting of the tong.